Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer funds from PayPal to Skrill. While these two popular platforms do not allow direct transfers, there is a straightforward, indirect method you can use. We will walk through the necessary steps to successfully move your money. This process ensures your funds reach your desired destination efficiently and securely, helping you manage your finances across different services. Since PayPal and Skrill operate independently, a direct transfer isn't an option. The most common and reliable way involves using your personal bank account as a bridge. First, you'll move your money from your PayPal balance to your linked bank account. Once the funds are safely in your bank, you can then easily deposit them into your Skrill account. This two-step process is secure and widely used. Let's go through the steps. First, log into your PayPal account and select the option to withdraw funds to your linked bank. This usually takes between 1 and 3 business days to process. Once the money arrives in your bank account, log into your Skrill account. Choose the deposit option, select your bank account as the source, and enter the amount you wish to transfer. Confirm the transaction to complete the process. Before you begin, remember a few key points. Both PayPal and Skrill may charge small fees for withdrawals or deposits, so always check their current rates. Ensure your bank account is fully verified on both platforms to avoid delays. Also, be mindful of any daily or weekly transaction limits that might apply. Always double-check all the details before confirming any transfer to ensure accuracy and prevent errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.